So in a few minutes, it's going to be on the hour, and I'm going to perform an ELT 3-month test on our new 406 megahertz ELT, which has both 406 and of course 121.5. And this will be the first time that we do the test for this newly installed unit that was installed at annual, and it's been 3 months, so it's time to do the self-test. So according to the instructions here from ACK, for our model, which is the E04 ELT, it says that to perform the self-test, make sure the aircraft master switch is off, which it is. And there is no power applied to the ELT through the GPS interface, which is not the case because power is off, avionics are off, there's no power coming through from a back shunt. Then tune an aircraft radio to 121.5. So I have my handheld radio that I've got ready to go pretty soon. Turn the squelch on the radio all the way off. And then listen for the modulated carrier with the ELT main switch in the arm position. So the ELT is in the back of the aircraft and it is in the armed position, which is where it's supposed to be under normal operations. We're going to press the reset test button over here on the cockpit remote control once. You will hear 1 second of 121.5 audio on the radio, followed by either one beep from the audio alert indicator or one beep followed by a 2-second delay and a second beep if all systems are functioning properly. The light will also flash on the remote. There's a little light in there. Systems okay. One beep or one beep followed by a second beep 2 seconds later. A series of 2 to 5 fast beeps, a 2-second delay, and the beep series repeating again indicates there is a self-test function that has returned a trouble condition. The ELT will not be disabled, but it should be inspected by a qualified avionic facility as soon as possible. So since I'm recording this, I will be able to review it afterwards and see what results I get back. Hopefully we just get the simple everything tested okay. All right. So we're on the hour. I've got my radio tuned to 121.5. I've got the squelch off. That's why you can hear some background noise. Ready to go. And I'm ready to press the test button and see what we get. All right, so I heard the one beep, a 2-second delay, and a second beep. So the beeps actually come from the ELT device itself, not from the remote switch. So one further follow-up about the ELT test, which I did know about, but I wasn't thinking about checking it previously, is that you do get an email from the Canadian Beacon Registry when your test is successful. So I just checked my email, took a couple of minutes, and I did get the email, and it showed my ELT's hex identifier, it showed the aircraft call sign and my name, etc. So it did work, which is great. So good news, we got the 121.5 megahertz audio sweep, we got the self-test beeps from the ELT checking everything okay, and we got the email back from the registry, which is great. So ELT test is complete, and so the next one coming up will be in 3 months.